Yo, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to get free Apple Music. So as you can see, I have it right here, and I'm going to show you guys how to get free Apple Music. So what you want to do is go to this site, and once it loads, just come down, I think, to this part and type in Apple. And, okay, it's not on here actually. So we're going to go to this website right here. It's called zestcoupons.com. Right, and then we type Apple, press see more, scroll down, press show coupon, unlock code, and just wait for it to load. So if you have like a good connection, it shouldn't take that long. But let's just wait for it to load here, as you can see, and then we're done. So basically it's going to ask us like what do we like and how many times a week do we shop, and then it's going to ask for our email. So let me just put that in. So I'm just going to enter this right here and then press continue, and now we're just going to wait for it to load, and then press no thanks when it asks if you want text updates, because you don't really need those. So next up is the survey, guys. So this is fairly simple. It's just a little survey with some questions about your income and your status as a homeowner. So if you don't have a home, you can just put no. These are fairly simple questions though. There's nothing too ridiculous here. Press I agree and continue when you reach the end, and you're done. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe. You can see this. Do you want your Vision Pro texted to you? You can just press no thanks on these. That's normally what I do personally, guys. But if you do want text updates, you can do that with the phone number you provided. So as you can see, it says the survey is done and the optional offers are completed. So that's how you get the Apple Music promo code. I've been using this for a while and it still works, so peace out.